Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust, backup camera, nice little roof spoiler, got some silver and gray accents along this vehicle with a nice remote start, which is perfect for the cold winter months, blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we got that license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. You got a 12-volt and hooks for all your cargo necessities. And you do get your normal storage underneath with your spare tire. To close, all you have to do is hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior. We have this nice carpet interior, adjustable rear seats with plenty of door space in the back. We got rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, liftgate, and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 72,445 kilometers. We get this leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we get a digital speedometer, my view, trim and feel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To memory, we got a gear select, parking brake, auto hold, auto stop, auto start with drive modes, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets for charging, and we got your center console here with more storage. We got dual climate up front, heated front seats, and heated steering wheel, storage below, media controls with your hazards. Looking here, we have our nice infotainment system with audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got your phone controls. You can see it's been previously connected and connect to your phone. Any apps you may download show up right here as well. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8115, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.